Lab 9 Client Lab for Rebecca Anderson. Here I have my doorbell in its case. If we take a look at this picture, doorbell 1, it's a nice picture of the ceiling. And when I press the right button, it will display on the screen. However, if I decide to take a picture, it takes the picture, it displays it on the screen, and now I can take that picture stored in doorbell 1 and send it to the server. That little flash that you just kind of saw across the screen shows that it should have sent to the server. And if we pull it up on the computer, it shows up right there. So everything is working fine and dandy.